Pictory.ai is an innovative AI-powered software platform designed to help create compelling, high-quality presentations quickly and easily. It is the perfect solution for business professionals, educators, students, and anyone else who needs to create captivating presentations quickly. Using Pictory.ai, users can assemble their presentation slides in a matter of minutes. The software provides a wide range of customizable templates to choose from, allowing users to quickly create presentations that are professional and visually appealing. The user can also easily add text, images, and videos to their slides to make the presentation more interactive and engaging. The platform provides a wide array of features that make creating great presentations a breeze. It allows users to quickly add and customize their content, as well as preview and review their slides in real time. This helps ensure that the presentation is optimized for the audience and the platform. The Pictory.ai platform also provides users with a range of collaboration tools that make it easy to collaborate with colleagues in real time and share their work. This helps ensure that each member of the team is on the same page and can make changes and additions to the presentation quickly and easily. Ultimately, Pictory.ai is an incredibly useful platform for creating high-quality presentations quickly and easily. With its powerful features and collaboration tools, it can help users create captivating presentations that will wow any audience. It is the perfect solution for anyone who needs to create professional presentations quickly and easily. With the help of Pictory.ai, business professionals, educators, students, and anyone else can create great presentations quickly and easily. It is the perfect solution for creating compelling, high-quality presentations quickly and easily. This platform is an invaluable tool for anyone who needs to create captivating presentations quickly and easily. With Pictory.ai, users can quickly create stunning presentations that will impress any audience. It is the perfect tool for creating great presentations quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.